Did Lexus actually think they could bring a knife to a gunfight? Because right here, we have the 2026 Lexus LX 800, Japan's finest, over 700 horsepower, a silent assassin. And next to it, we have the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800, a black hole in matte paint. Lexus came to compete, but Mercedes, they came to collect a crown. By the end of this video, you're going to see exactly why one of these machines walks away as the king and the other one walks away wondering what hit it. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Top Shift. Today, it's Germany versus Japan, opulence versus discipline, the $250,000 showdown. First, let's look at the challenger, the 2026 Lexus LX 800. This is Lexus redefining what restraint means. It's glossy, it's deep, it looks like a mirror on wheels. Lexus isn't trying to shout here, they are trying to hypnotize you with precision. But standing in its way is the reigning champion, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800. This isn't a car. Seriously, look at it. This is a rupture in the timeline. Mercedes took the GLS, sent it to the Maybach division, and told them to build something that doesn't just drive, it arrives. Let's talk about walking up to these things in a parking lot. If you see the Lexus in your rear view, you notice it. That spindle grille is slimmer now, meaner. It's wide, it's planted. It looks like a yacht that decided it wanted to climb a mountain. It demands a certain respect. But the Maybach doesn't ask for respect. It takes it. You guys see this matte obsidian paint? It doesn't just sit there, it drinks the light. It makes the air around it feel heavy. The grille isn't a grille, it's a gate. It's like a cathedral on wheels. When this thing glides into view, you don't just see it, you feel it in your chest. If the Lexus is a tailored suit, the Maybach is an emperor's robe. You don't stand near it unless you're invited. Okay, open the door. This is where it gets personal, because this is where you actually live. Slide inside the Lexus LX 800. The first thing that hits you? Serenity. It's quiet, monastic. Lexus designed this place to calm you down. The leather is soft, the ambient lighting is subtle, and those twin OLED screens float right there. Everything you touch clicks with the precision of a watchmaker. It feels healthy, like a spa treatment. But now, open the door to the Maybach. You don't step into the Maybach, you sink into it. This isn't a cabin, it's a throne room. We're talking black diamond quilted leather. It's so soft, it feels illegal. The ambient lighting doesn't just glow, it performs. You can program it to match your mood. And the sound system? It doesn't just play music, it builds an orchestra inside your skull. The Lexus makes you feel relaxed. The Maybach makes you feel like you own the building. Alright, numbers don't lie, but numbers also don't tell you how a car makes you feel. Under the hood of the Lexus, you've got a twin-turbo V6 hybrid pushing out 720 horsepower. 0 to 60? Under 4 seconds. It's fast. But the way it delivers power is interesting. It flows. The electric motors fill in the gaps, so it feels like one endless wave of torque. It's calm, then it's violent, then it's calm again. It's incredibly smart. But the Maybach? It has 800 horsepower, and it doesn't flow, it's inevitable. When you press the pedal in this thing, the horizon just bends. It moves with a grace that defies logic. You're driving a house, but it handles like a sports coupe. The Germans have this weird ability to make mass disappear. The Lexus is a brilliant athlete. The Maybach is a sovereign who happens to be a black belt. There is a difference. So here we are, two nations, two philosophies. The Lexus LX 800 is magnificent. Honestly, it is the best thing to come out of Japan. It proves that you don't need to shout to be heard. It's restrained, it's powerful, and it's gorgeous. It deserves to be in this conversation, but it doesn't win the conversation. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 isn't just an SUV, it's a statement of sovereignty. Where the Lexus asks you to appreciate it, the Maybach assumes you already do. The Lexus calms you, the Maybach crowns you. The Lexus offers 720 horsepower. The Maybach responds with 800. The Lexus competes for the throne. The Maybach sits on it. If you want the ultimate driving machine, buy the Lexus. You'll love it. But if you want the machine that stops time, that silences rooms, that makes other cars feel temporary, there is only one choice. Germany's sent a conqueror, and the crown sits heavy on matte black shoulders. What do you guys think? Is the Lexus too soft, or is the Maybach too arrogant? Drop your comment below. I read them all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Top Shift, because we're bringing you the next battle very soon.